In this video, we are going to show you how to customize Cloudflare 404 error page templates. Now, free tier accounts can't natively modify these 404 rules at the edge, but you can have an option where you can intercept and modify incoming requests using a lightweight script. So how do we do that? You need to log into your free Cloudflare account, and once you're here, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu, and under Build, click on Compute. It's the first option. This drop-down will appear. So first option says workers and pages. So click on workers and pages like so. It's going to bring you to this page. And here on your right hand side, there's a blue button that says create application. So click that. Here you will be able to create a worker and you can ship something new. So just choose whatever here that suits your needs. For example, we're just going to start with hello world. And here, this is where you can replace the default boilerplate script with code that checks your service responses. So pretty much just change everything here, right? And then once you're done, you can just click deploy and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.